Hi, my name is Filip. He said his name was Filip. And I don't know what sport to do next. He said he didn't know what sport to do next. I've tried running, but I didn't enjoy it much. He said he had tried running, but he hadn't enjoyed it much. I went to the gym when I lived in London. He said he had gone to the gym when he had lived in London. And I like swimming and skiing. He said he liked swimming and skiing. These weeks I'm doing yoga. He said those weeks he was doing yoga. And next month I'm going to try Pilates. He said next month he was going to try Pilates. I don't know whether I'll enjoy it though. He said he didn't know whether he would enjoy it though. I can't play group sports. I'm useless at them. He said he couldn't play group sports. He was useless at them. And I'm really bad at ball sports too. He said he was really bad at ball sports too. So, what sport do I need to try? And while this Filip is thinking about what sport to do next, we are going to learn about reported speech. As always, like the video and subscribe if you're enjoying my A to B1 grammar series, and let me know in the comments if there's a particular topic you'd like me to cover next. We use reported speech when we want to say what someone else said. We often introduce it with the verbs say or tell plus a person or a pronoun, and we use say and tell in the past. For example, Filip said that, da-da-da. He told me that, da-da-da-da-da. We told our friends that, da-da-da-da-da. Be careful though, the verb say does not use an object, but the verb tell always does. If you want to use an object with the verb say, you need to use the preposition to. For example, I said that, da-da-da, is correct, no object. I told you that, da-da-da-da, is correct. I said to you that, da-da-da-da, object, correct. I said you that, da-da-da-da, is not correct. Neither is I'd told that, da-da-da-da. You need an object. And that is optional. You don't have to use it. So, he said that his name was Filip is the same as he said his name was Filip. And how do we do the reporting itself? Well, there are two things we need to change. Number one, pronouns. If in a direct speech we say, I want to try a new sport, in reported speech, the I becomes he. For example, Filip said he wanted to try a new sport. The same would be for possessive adjectives. For example, Rachel says, I love my new car. In reported speech, Rachel said she loved her new car. Number two, the tense of the verb. In reported speech, present simple becomes past simple, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, past simple, past perfect, will becomes would, can, could, be going to, was going to. Why do we change the verb tense? Well, here is your bonus fact. The change of the tense is called a backshift, because the tense shifts one back. And here is why. Imagine it's the morning, and I say, this coffee is delicious. It's true in that moment. And then in the afternoon, you want to say what I said in the morning. Are you in the same moment? No. A few hours have passed since I drank the coffee. You're at a different point on a timeline. And because some time has passed since I said the sentence, we need to backshift, change the tense to express that some time has passed. So you would say, that coffee was delicious. Of course, we can also report modals and questions, and there are more complicated changes, so don't worry about that for today. Now let's look at some more examples. I've just found a mushroom. He said he'd just found a mushroom. I love ice cream. He said he loved ice cream. We'll catch the villain. They said they'd catch the villain. I finished reading the book last night. You can have it. She said she'd finished reading the book last night. You could have it. I'm going to a fish for dinner. Filip said he was going to a fish for dinner. We've just seen Madonna. She was amazing. They'd just seen Madonna. She'd been amazing. Now it's time to practice, so you can put what you've learned into action. I'm going to show you 5 examples with sentences in direct speech. You turn them into reported speech. Afterwards, you can check your sentences because the key is in the description of the video down below. I'm going to post this on Instagram. I can't hear you. The dinner will be great tonight. I've just bought a new top. I want a treat. I might try judo or karate. I've always wanted to try martial arts. Or I could take up surfing. What do you think? What sport should I try? Let me know. And while you're here, check out some of my other grammar videos. There'll be a new one next week, so I'll see you then.